Hi, this is Sandy Eagon with Keller Williams Realty, and today we are talking about the importance of having your realtor even when you're buying a new construction house. If you are looking to buy right now, please click the box asking to see all area homes. And if you are looking to sell, please click asking for a market analysis on the value of your home in today's market. Now, back to new construction and having your realtor. I just finished a marvelous appointment with the site agent and my clients buying new construction over in Monroe. And oftentimes people think, why do I need my own realtor when I'm going in there and they know so much about the houses? And they do. Their input is invaluable in that process. And just to give an example, we had a couple of different things that came up that were some confusion, even with 4 very smart people in the room. And so we had to go back in today and go, nope, we don't have all of the money available in that price point of what you were thinking, because of it was just explained differently, and none of this on our side understood it until we came back with the final bill. It was about $40,000 more than what they were expecting. So they took another look and they said, you know what, that's great, but this is still beautiful even with many standard finishes, and this is what most important to us. So some of the things that they really needed to think about were, how much lighting do you need to have, say, in your living room and in the master? In the new homes these days, they are not putting overhead lights in the bedrooms or even in the living room. And so that's really important for you to understand that this is an actual upgrade that you need to look into. But what I was able to do is I was going over the list of things that were built into the original price. There are a few things that I could take out. For example, how important is a man door in your garage? That was a $2,500 expense that, frankly, my client is more interested in having security and fewer doors to lock. And so this was an easy thing for us to get rid of. How important is a gas stub? Seems pretty small, seems lovely and fun and convenient, and that adds an extra $600 to your expense. And then the next biggest one was they had a built-in railing instead of a pony wall for going upstairs that also added another $3,000, actually a little bit more. So even with those 3 things, we were well into the $6,000, $7,000 that I was able to say, hey, do you really want this? My client left with a huge smile on his face, because not only was he not paying the extra $40,000 that he had agreed to when he was sitting at the design studio, but I saved him another $7,000 off of his price by the time we were done with our appointment today. Bring your realtor. If you don't have somebody that you really trust, I would love to talk with you about how I help my clients through each step of the process. You don't know what you don't know. You don't know what questions to ask because you're not doing this every day as a serious professional like we are. Let us help. Give me a call. I'm there for you today. Have an amazing day, and I look forward to talking with you when I can help you with your real estate needs. Take care.